Hi my dear students, this is Rahul Sharma on the behalf of Career Point and I welcome you all in today's amazing session. What is so special about today's session is that this is an official tour of the e-learning app of Career Point. In the last 6 months, we have grown as a family of more than 1 lakh students. Just because of your love and support, more than 1 lakh students are now living their dream and pursuing their dream of becoming a doctor or engineer. Every single day, thousands of you join our family with your dreams on our shoulders, and we are committed to every dream of every individual student. And what we need to know that how to access your online institution. If you are an Android user, just take out your phone and go to Google Play Store and download the eCareerPoint app like I am doing right now. Okay, once you have downloaded the app, just choose the language in which you want to prepare your examination, in Hindi or in English. Once you have chosen your language, just sign up by entering your email ID and other details. Who want to prepare on larger screen, they can go on the eCareerPoint.com and download the Windows app of the eCareer. As you get sign in, you will see the feed section. You will see the feed section which is full of the possibilities of revision. Why I am saying that it is a full of the possibilities of revision? Because you can get amazing questions from the expert faculties. You can follow the expert faculties here on the top. Many questions have been posted by them and they post regularly. You can answer the question, and for every correct answer you will be rewarded by the coins which you can use for your further purchases. Then what is the next segment? The next segment is the most interesting one, which is the daily dose. Daily dose not only gives you the daily dose to your preparation but also provides you amazing quizzes, highly conceptual questions, last year question papers, study tips which are highly recommended by the expert faculty, and many more interesting things. And then the next section is the most amazing one, which is the courses section. For the future doctors, you can select the medical and choose your course. We are providing courses for medical examination, class 3rd to 10th students, and for defense examination, and of course for JEE mains and JEE advanced. You can see the type of courses here. Live courses are available for boards, for NEET in Hindi and English. Macro and micro courses are also available. Courses in recording form is also available, the recorded courses. Pen drive courses are also available. Test series, study packages and books are recommended in this section. The demo lectures of every course. The demo lecture of every course is available in the courses which are mentioned here. Like if you go to the course phase 3, you can see the demo lecture of a faculty and you can purchase it from here only. Now the segment which is highly asked on the online platform, that is our YouTube channel. YouTube पे बहुत से बच्चों के जो सवाल है उन सभी का आंसर जो हमारा अगला सेगमेंट है, that is free stuff, उसके अंदर आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा. This section has the answer of the most asked question on the YouTube lecture, which is कि सर नोट्स हमको कहाँ मिलेंगे. तो my dear students, this is the segment where you get all the notes of YouTube lectures, conceptual questions, quizzes, or many more free courses are also available. Like for example, the diagrammatic series which I have done on YouTube is available here in series. You can access it, and many more courses are also available. You can check. Now the last segment, and the segment where you can judge yourself, where you can assist yourself, is my profile, that is your profile. Here you can check your daily activities, and here you see the my courses section. In this section you will find the course you are enrolled in or the course you had been purchased. In that segment, you can see your daily activities of the courses. The lectures are available in the recorded form for revision. Notes are available here. Everything which is related to the course you are enrolled is available in the My Course section that you can explore very easily. So my dear students, this online institution provides everything which is needed to become successful in every entrance examination, whether it is NEET, JEE Main or JEE Advanced, NTSC or Olympiads. We are committed towards your dreams. We all need your support, your love, and we are committed to provide quality education. Thank you so much. Download the eCareerPoint app to secure your future with us. Thank you so much.